Huey! What I got? Pumpkin seeds. Look at this. We're gonna have lots of composted pumpkins in our. What's the matter, Louie? Come on, buddy. This guy here is giving the other boys a hard time, so. What do you think of the pumpkin seeds? You guys never had them before. We should go see if there's any more eggs. Come on, bud. Oh, you got a sore leg. I saw your leg earlier. Come on. Hey, bud. You okay? You alright? Okay, chill out. Hey, Donald. Had this come down from up there. So I found the other egg back here, behind the door. Oh, I see the ducks coming out. Any more eggs back there? Yeah, I just pushed that out of there. Now you guys can walk through. Yeah. Come here. Try to do that all with one hand. So nobody laying nothing in there. Alright, oh, I gotta actually put this back in here because I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it, just in case I divide the coop. Never know what you're gonna do. I like having the extra pieces. See, there's another one in here, and I just threw another one there, so now I got two. There's still too much bedding in here. And plus I put down a new bag, but it got dirty quick. There. Eat away. Oh, you guys got one egg. That's all you guys laid me today? It's just one egg. Alright. See if I can find a couple. None in that one. Is there any more in that corner? Nope. Nope. Alright. Alright, girls, move. Oh, there's another one. Alright, so we got two more. So it's 15 eggs. I'll like put them in my pocket. Because if you all know, you break them every now and again. So now in the spring, if I make a post or a video saying that I don't know what's popping up in my garden. Well, it's gonna be pumpkins. I'm gonna have lots of pumpkins. How you doing, Lou? Lots of feathers. All right, y'all. See you later.